Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. If you like my channel, subscribe and click the bell to get alerts. In this episode, I'd like to show you a new feature. Actually, you can assign templates during creating sites from the SharePoint homepage. Now, in previous video, I showed you can do it from the admin center, but now it's available from the SharePoint home site. So actually, if we go to the 9 dots to the Microsoft 365 and we choose SharePoint, then we will actually have a button where we can create a site and create a new news post. So let's create a site, and we have two options. A team site and a communication site. As you know, a team site is connected to a 365 group and a communication site is not. Now, if you want to create team sites which are not connected to the 365, you can do that through the admin center. Now, previously, what would happen is from here, it would create a blank template of a team site, and then you could assign a template. Now it's possible, as I choose a team site or a communication site, it offers all of the templates that are here. So we have a standard team, a crisis communication, employee onboarding, event planning, IT help desk, project management, and all kinds of things, as you know. Now we can choose one of them. It will give us a preview. You can even click a preview. It shows you what components, how it looks, and we can use the template. We can give a name. By the way, it's a new interface, so let's call it demo 123. If we want to change the template, we can click here. It will assign a group email, and we could change also the name, so I can change it like that. So the name can be one thing and the URL would be different. And if we click next, we can choose the privacy, if it's public or public, and the language default, and the site will be created. We need to wait. Now let's just cancel this and actually go and see what happens in the communication site. So the templates are different. We have a standard communication, brand center, crisis management, departments, events, human resource, leadership connection, and as you see, all of these, and also a blank one. So let's choose just one of these, use it, give a name, ABC, next, create, and it will create it. Now, as I wanted to show you, what would happen is that in the past, it would create the standard one, and then we could go to the gear icon and choose apply a site template. So we can still do this. It's just lets us choose the new process. We can choose the template before it's created, instead of creating it and then changing it, and then we have some leftovers. So if already showing you, I can show you how it is also in the admin center. Of course, you need to have permissions. So I'll click on the 9 dots and we can go and look for the admin center. In the admin center, we'll look for SharePoint. If I don't see it, I can click show all. And I could scroll down and here I find SharePoint. We will go to active sites. And in active sites, under sites, we will have a new button where here is also a new interface. As you can see, we can have the team site, communication site, go to migration manager, syntax contact centers, and browse for more. it says here select another site such as publishing portal or non-connected team sites. If we click here, we can choose from all of what's here, and the others are the same. So actually what we're saying now, any user that if the new site is available for them, they will be able to choose a template. Some organizations would like to limit it, others just give the freedom for the user to choose what is best for him. So this is what I wanted to share. If you like my channel, subscribe and give me feedback, give me a like, write a comment, ask a question, and I'll try to answer. Thank you very much and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.